Artoonza.
In this easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a Native American tent style, or as I like to call it, a teepee. Drawing time, let's have a lot of fun together. Give us a big thumbs up. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Red. Color. Mix it up. Brown.
Wow!
Give us your like. Yellow. Don't be shy, color high. Orange. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
Wow!
Whoopsie doodle. Time for a little creative fix. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.